Assalamu alaikum. I am Rawan Sadiq, your English teacher from the second Assalam school. Today, my dear students, we have the phonics lesson in your module 3 in students book page 40. So please follow up with me step by step, my dear students. First, we have, as usual, the lesson objectives. أهداف الدرس. Number 1, to practice the pronunciation of E sounds. Okay, we have here E, the same pronunciation but different writing. We have E with one E letter and E with the double E. Okay, but the same pronunciation. And number 2, to say a phonics chant or poem. Here we have first this exercise in your students book page 40. We have pictures and we have here the sound E. Okay, we have the sound E. This is the shape of the sound E, but we have some words has the E sound like one E letter, like here, one E letter, and some of them has it like double E, like these words. And now I will start to read. Okay, here we have the one E letter. We have the word email, the word email. Okay, and we have it here in the beginning, email, and we have the word he, and we have it here in the end of the word, he, and we have also the sound E in the word this, in the word this, and we have it here in the middle of the word. So we have the word email in the beginning and the word he in the end of the word and the word these, and we have here the sound in the middle of the word. This is for the E with one letter. And we have here also the sound E, and you have to recognize or identify here the shape, here this one. You have to identify it very well. Okay, the E sound. Let's read here these examples. We have the word sleep, sleep, and we have it here in the middle of the word sleep, and we have also the word zookeeper, the word zookeeper. Okay, and we have it also in the middle of the word, and we have the word cheese, and also we have the word cheese. Okay, so for the double E we have the word sleep, and also we have the word zookeeper, and we have the word cheese. And also we have sometimes like the word employee in the end of the word, employee means موظف, and we have also the word keep, only the word keep like here, keep. Okay, we have many words of course for the E here, one E, and for the double E. And here we have this exercise in your students book page 40. Listen and say, then circle the E sounds. Okay, I have already put the circles for you, but I will read to hear the E sound. Lee, the zookeeper. We have here Lee and keeper. Okay, let's listen to the chant. In the evening, it's cold at the zoo. Lee is a zookeeper. His jacket is blue. He has got tablet. He is checking his email. The cheetah is sleeping. Look at its long tail. Look at these monkeys. They are sleeping in trees. While Lee, the zookeeper, is having some cheese. So we have here word Lee and zookeeper and evening and Lee again and zookeeper again and he and email, cheetah, sleeping, these, and again sleeping, trees. So the word tree, we have the E sound, again Lee, zookeeper, and finally cheese. Okay, and here we have this exercise, which is number 3 in your workbook, page 32. We have these pictures with uh, the words in the letters in not correct or incorrect order. So we have to unscramble and write. Okay, let's see number 1. What is this picture? Zookeeper, zookeeper. And here what we have? Email, email. Number 3, what we have here? The word these. And here we have he, he. Okay, we are talking about one of them, he. And here we are talking about these strawberries or tomatoes. Okay, these. And here number 5 we have cheese, cheese. And finally we have here this boy is sleep, sleep. Okay, that's it for exercise number 3 in your workbook page 32. And finally, I want you, my dear students, to think of more words that have the sound E. I want you to give me examples of words that included the sound that we have taken today, like the word sleep, tree, like this, okay, with this pronunciation. And in the end, thank you very much for your listening and for your understanding. And I hope for you to have a very nice day today and every day.